This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by J. Reilly. Spectacular luxury custom Cape Cod home on 7+ acres. Privately nestled amongst the foothills west / panoramic views of Lake Samish and a peek at Mount Baker. Open floor plan, spacious kitchen with butler's pantry, Caesar stone and walnut counters, wolf range and Subzero refrigerator. Travertine and walnut floors. 1 master suite on each floor plus 2 more beds plus great room plus office plus den plus 3.5 baths. Extraordinaire wood fireplace plus FA gas furnace and heat pump west / air conditioner. Generator, 50 years roof, 3-car garage. For more information, review the details below or contact J. Reilly at 360-734-7500.